Hey, what's up guys? It's Marcus. I'm going to be doing my first bike check. Okay, starting from the top, I have the Shadow Conspiracy bar ends. For my grips, I have the ODI long neck grips. For my bars, I have the Colt leader bars, 9 rise and 30.25 width. Going to my stem, I have the Premium Sub 10 stem with Shadow Conspiracy hollow bolts. For my spacer, I have the Colony adjustable spacer. For my headset, I have the Colt integrated headset. Going to my forks, I have the Colt Sec V2 forks. For my front wheel, I have the Demolition V2 hub laced to a Colt match rim with Demolition Momentum 20.35. My front axle nuts are Shadow Conspiracy. Okay, for my frame, I have the Sunday Soundwave frame. Going to my seat, I have the Alienation black and back slide seat with a Animal V2 seat clamp. Going to my sprocket, I have the Tree Light sprocket 25 tooth with Shadow Conspiracy half link chain. For my cranks, I have the E-Clat Onyx cranks. The pedals are Odyssey JCPC pedals. For my back wheel, I have the Premium Stinger laced to a Colt match rim with Demolition Momentum 20.20. For my valve caps, I have the McNeil valve caps. For my bottom bracket, I have the BSD bottom bracket. Okay, I'll give you guys a hub sound. Okay, there's my bike check. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like it.